Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Stanley Quencher 40-ounce insulated tumbler. Spoiler alert, I like it. Here's a close-up from top to bottom, and as you can see, it will fit in your car cup holder. Double-walled, vacuum insulated, which means if it's hot, it's going to stay hot. If it's cold, it's going to stay cold. And here's some more close-ups of the top stainless ring. Let me give you a close-up of the handle. It's nice and big and beefy, and you can get your hand in it. By the way, I dig the color on this one. And here's another shot of my hand in the handle. I don't have really huge hands, but if you have big hands, you can see this is an ample handle, and that's what you want. Here's a close-up of the top, and it has a rotating cover. And a close-up of where you insert your straw, and it does have sort of a small seal around that straw when you insert it. Here's the bottom, and here's how the rotating lid works. This Stanley's not going to be spill proof. It is possible for some fluids to come out, but that straw has a little bit of a seal, as you can see right there. It's not going to just gush out over everything. If you rotate to the closed position, it's not going to spill. And they give you the correct size straw. Check it out. It's taller than the cup. Now, I really like this Stanley Quencher H2O. I think you will too. I received this as a free gift, and I really appreciate being able to show this amazing tumbler to all of you.